Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Running a jar file from within a Python script can be achieved using the subprocess module. However, Python 2.5 is quite old, released in 2006, and not officially supported anymore, so it's highly recommended to upgrade to a newer Python version. Nevertheless, I'll provide you with an example of how to run a jar file from within a Python script using subprocess. You can adapt this example for a newer Python version if needed. Note, in this tutorial, we will assume that you have a jar file named example.jar inside a folder named my_folder, and you want to run it using Python 2.5. Here's a step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Install Python 2.5, if not already installed. If you haven't installed Python 2.5, you can download it from the Python website, https://www.python.org/download/release/python-251. However, I strongly recommend upgrading to a newer Python version for security and compatibility reasons. Step 2. Import the subprocess module. In your Python script, you need to import the subprocess module to run external commands, including running the jar file. Step 3. Define the path to the jar file. Specify the path to your jar file, relative to your Python script. In this example, we assume the jar file is located in a folder named my_folder. Step 4. Run the jar file. Use the subprocess.call function to run the jar file. Pass the Java command as the first argument, followed by any necessary Java options, if needed, and then the path to the jar file. In this example, we run the jar file using the Java jar command. Step 5. Handle errors, optional. You can add error handling code to deal with exceptions that might occur during the jar file execution. Complete Python script. Here's the complete Python script. Running the script. Save the script with a .py extension and execute it using Python 2.5 or your chosen Python version. Again, please consider upgrading to a newer Python version as Python 2.5 is no longer maintained, and security updates and new features are not available for it. Additionally, consider updating your jar file and Java version for security and compatibility reasons. ChatGPT